It's on.
Uy.
It's on.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh? Brakes are like a dream.
Yes, bro. अरे ये सब नॉर्मल कब
मैं कर
Fuck. What the fuck, bro?
that crazy, huh?
अरे Macans are killer.
And the new ones have crazy interior also.
This doesn't feel any bit less than all the other brands. Like even the door handles here looks pretty good.
Are too good.
Oh, they gave Alcantara on the top.
See the accent lighting also.
Oh, here the accent lighting is there. Nice. Fuck. What the fuck, bro? Too good, no?
Yeah.
Only this time I feel like nothing.
I don't think you're going to feel anything after accelerating it.
Nothing can beat what do you call EV acceleration.
Nothing. No feedback. All fun.
Why aren't they pushing?
They are shooting a video, so that's why.
Okay, got it. How do you like the handling? I mean, like
Crazy.
suspension?
Crazy. It's crazy on the bumps also.
Yes.
The worst bumps also.
Yes. The quality shows here.
Yeah. Better than that.
Better than Cayenne. Cayenne has that.
Bumpiness. See, you can see the body rolling. See?
Yes, a lot of body roll there. But these Macans are handling pretty well.
Pretty well.
This one especially, it has that cushiness to the suspension.
Correct. Suspension is not bumpy at all.
Exactly.
You
It doesn't
can
feel
see-
like
you
it is
can see
stiff.
For the Cayenne jumping. Our car's not jumping.
See, look at there.
See, yes.
Here it's hardly anything.
Bump, boom, that's it.
That is carrying it for another 100 meters where it is still adjusting the body roll.
Correct.
Freaking hell. So today I get to drive the better cars.
No, nothing like that. I get to sit in the better cars.
I didn't expect the electric Macan to be this fun.
Yeah.
Even after the initial acceleration, we are at 122.
Yeah. Doesn't feel like.
I want to have some fun now. Ample torque again.
I think there's no feedback while accelerating also, no?
Yeah.
That says it all.
I still feel like I'm doing somewhere around 10-20,
Yeah.
and I wanted to get some acceleration
Add
out of
more,
it.
yeah.
Doesn't feel like I'm doing 100 and I'm getting this kind of acceleration out of car. Beautiful, bro. And the steering also, the size of the steering is pretty small and comfortable.
Easy to handle.
Those steerings were
yes.
like this.
I think they have thought it out.
Yeah. After the constant feedback, maybe. I can do this all day.
And not feel old, huh?
Not anymore. Let's do it from.
Yeah. Oh, oh my God.
Fucking hell.
Oh.
These Macans are worth every penny then.
I know.
Provided the suspension, if it was not this way,
Yeah.
if it was that stiff like a Cayenne,
Then it wouldn't have been fun.
hell yes. High time everybody changes their opinion about the electric cars, bro.
I agree.
If
I
you
am changing mine, so everybody is good. And I think they have to experience it too.
yes, only when they sit and experience this push and pull in their
Yeah.
cars,
Oh my God.
this and
Oh
this,
my God.
only then they'll understand what EVs are exactly about. And if you happen to have solar on your top of your house,
Then
it's free of cost. All this enjoyment at
no
zero
money.
zero money.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that Taycan in the rear view mirror. It looks killer. I wonder what 0 to 100 feels
Feel
in this.
like, oh, must feel crazy.
If we get a chance, we'll
will
go
do
until 0.
Yeah.
Not 0, but 10 at least.
Yeah,
And we'll do.
let's try.
Doesn't feel like we are doing 100, bro.
Yeah, doesn't feel like suspension.
Suspension and the cabin noise also is pretty well contained in this. It's not double glazed glass as well. Even this is not double glazed. Still, it feels very comfortable.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Beautiful. Look at the way it is handling the corners, bro. Can you feel any body roll inside?
not at all. Not at all.
Wow.
And 193 is handling like a train.
Exactly, it is having the downforce of a train.
Correct.
When I say train, don't think about our Indian trains. The only thing I'm happening to miss is when you let go or when you downshift, you have that
Feedback.
purples in the ICE engines.
But I think with evolution,
Yeah,
they
we
will
have to-
come up with that feature also.
We have to pay a little for something.
Correct.
I think now we can go until 80, 70.
Oh!
Fantastic. I think it's the 10th or 11th time we are doing it. Still
Yeah.
feels like
Still
feels
new.
so exciting like the first time. Everything feels very solid in
Very
there.
solid, yes.
I think this is the first Porsche where I am admiring the interiors, like
Interiors, yes.
too good interiors. This is floating here.
Mm.
They've green complementing green color all over. Very solid. I like this door handles, bro. Look at them. Just look at them. Even the AC vents, the
Yes,
quality is very good.
That's cool.
Feel the quality there.
Yeah.
I think even the battery range is very good.
Yeah.
Have we not done 150 kilometers already
Correct. Yeah.
from the beginning?
Still shows 250.
Everybody might be driving like me
Everybody
only.
must have pulled it.
But still it has got 253 kilometers to go,
It's crazy.
which is I think half the tank.
So the batteries are placed here, right? Below here.
Yeah, below the floor. How do you like the passenger screen?
Oh, it's crazy.
I can't see anything. Is there anything there?
Oh, it's there.
So
That's the
it's blocked.
privacy version of Porsche.
For the safety,
Safety, yes.
there's some privacy where they can watch anything, but I can't see anything. Imagine ourselves doing 90 behind this car. Instantaneous. Too good, bro.
It's fun.
Too much fun. I thought we'll be having the most fun in that in those GTS cars,
Yeah,
but surprisingly the most fun that we are having today is in this
this feels more different.
electric car.
New.
Feels
Something
new. I wonder what the people behind us would be thinking about us.
They're enjoying.
The seat ventilation is also good. I don't think this has massage though, right? Comfort, passengers, driver seat, heat and airflow balance, heated and ventilated seats.
So sports car.
You can't ask for a massage, I'm sorry. If SUVs are this fun, why should we go for sedans and worry in the monsoon?
Exactly, you're right. Considering our roads, I think SUVs are a better idea.
Definitely. Yeah, Taycan overtaking us.
I think the competition of having more fun is between us two only.
Yes.
I think we won.
We won for sure.
Our fun won.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, we're winning.
So, if I'm right, the most selling Porsches in India will change from Cayennes to this Porsche EVs for sure.
I think yes.
Definitely, it has to be. Cayenne was not even this close, not even any close.
Correct.
I mean, like, it pulls even at 170, bro.
The torque, the suspension, the handling, everything looks good in this car.
Yes.
I can feel it from the passenger
Though we are
side.
doing all this, we are
Yeah.
still comfortable. We are still having a nice, what do you call, calm cabin.
Correct, yes. Very calm.
I think the only irritating thing is the sound speed limit.
Correct,
Sorry.
yes.
How did we beat the Taycan? I don't understand. Does it mean this is faster than the Taycan?
You are a better driver.